Hi friends, now we are going towards the last point. Actually, the second last point. Want of factor I. This is to measure the degree of dissociation. Now we have seen that for non-electrolyte the dissociation is more, so the value is maximum is equal to 1, value of I. For association or for non-electrolytes or electrolytes, the association is taking place. So in that case, or for higher concentration, I is low, less than 1. So this is nothing but the want of factor. I is equal to, it is a ratio of colligative property of electrolyte solution to the colligative property of non-electrolyte solution. That's why it will be always positive, because its value is always greater than the delta Tp. Now these are all the relations. Again we are writing there in the formula. All these formulas suggest the molecular weight determination, and all these are the colligative properties. आणखीन एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या याच्यामध्ये, तुम्ही जेव्हा मोलेक्युलर वेट या फॉर्म्युल्यातून काढता तेव्हा ते थिओरिटिकल आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. ऑब्झर्वेशन नाही, तुम्ही एक्सपेरिमेंट करत नाही, तर तुम्ही फॉर्म्युला वापरता. त्यामुळे अशा वेळी जे तुम्ही काढता त्यातली कुठली व्हॅल्यू काढली ती थिओरिटिकल असणार, प्रॅक्टिकली ऑब्झर्व नाही. फॉर्म्युला वापरला ती थिओरिटिकल. न्यूमेरिकलच्या वेळी परत मी सांगेन तुम्हाला. सो ऑल these properties, all these formulas are equal to I. Delta P, colligative property of electrolytes. Here 0 is mentioned for non-electrolyte simply. So delta P upon delta P 0, delta Tb, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure. These are the ratios. Now another formula is there, alternative, and it is very simple. What is that formula? I is equal to formula mass of the substance. Formula mass means theoretical mass. Theoretically formula टाकलेलं mass and observed mass of the solute. It is observed means by experiment. When the experiment is done, we can find out the value of molecular weight after the experiment. So I is nothing but the theoretical molecular mass divided by observed molecular mass. Again we are writing the modified expression. Now before want of factor, we have studied that all these expressions are inversely proportional to molecular weight, and all these are the formulae. But now when we study the want of factor, we have to introduce want of factor in this formula. So all these formulae containing this I, want of factor, and rest of the formula is same. Here molecular weight is theoretical. All these properties are theoretical. So this is about the want of factor. Want of factor obviously smaller or higher concentration, because when the concentration is high, the molecules try to associate with each other and the molecular weight increases. As molecular weight increases, value decreases. हे रिलेशन कायम या टॉपिक साठी लक्षात ठेवा. मोलेक्युलर वेट वाढलं की कॉलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी कमी. इन केस ऑफ व्हेन I is higher for very dilute solutions or infinite dilute solutions. आणि म्हणून आपण पहिलंच वाक्य म्हटलं कॉलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी डायल्यूट सोल्युशन साठी आपण शिकतोय मोठ्या हायर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. लेट अस स्टार्ट द लास्ट पॉइंट of this topic, relation between want of factor I and alpha, that is degree of dissociation. Alpha is the fraction of the total number of moles dissociated from the given number of mole of solution. So this now we are going to solve this relation alpha and I. I is the what term factor, alpha is the degree of dissociation. यांची गल्लत करू नका. Let us take a salt AXBY which is dissolved. 1 mole of salt is taken. Salt म्हटलं की AXBY या टाइपच्या फॉर एक्झाम्पल CA3PO4 twice X is equal to 3 Y is equal to 2 असे सॉल्ट येणार आपल्याला. So 1 mole of salt is dissolved in V liters of water. Let's alpha is its degree of dissociation. So what will happen at initial stage? Salt is 1 mole, but there is no dissociation. So these are the zero. This is the equation of their dissociation. Then at equilibrium, there will be alpha will be the degree of dissociation. So we have to subtract from this total number of moles. So 1 minus alpha. This is the theoretical value we are going to calculate. And alpha into x and alpha into y. So the total number of moles which are dissociated is given by 1 minus alpha plus x into alpha plus y into alpha. This is the mathematical arrangement. 1 plus alpha into bracket x plus y minus 1. So 1 plus alpha into bracket n minus 1. So what is n? याच्या आधीच्या वर्षी हाच n डॅश होता. आता या वर्षी तुमचा सिलेबस मध्ये बदल झाल्यावर तो डॅश गेला आणि साधा n आला. बदलून काय हा मोठा उपयोग नव्हता. पण असो साधा आहे. सो x plus y is equal to n. n म्हणजे डिसोसिएशन झालेले आयन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल AlCl3 किती टोटल आयन झाले? Cl चे 3 आणि Al चा 1 म्हणजे 4 आयन झाले. म्हणजे इथे तुम्ही x plus y काढले ना 4. हे लक्षात घ्या. सो दिस इज द n. नाउ व्हॉट इज द n? फॉर्म्युला तोच, फक्त मोल्सच्या बाबतीत वापरला. थियोरेटिकल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय ऑब्झर्व्ड नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. थियोरेटिकल मोल्स कुठले हे तुम्ही काढले ते आपण लिहिले 1 प्लस अल्फा इनटू ब्रॅकेट n मायनस 1 ही मॅथेमॅटिकल आहे. आणि ऑब्झर्व्ड नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 1. म्हणजे आपल्याला फायनल इक्वेशन काय मिळालं? अल्फा द डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन इज इक्वल टू I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. So let us conclude here. We have finished the topic solution and we now will proceed for numericals and short questions. So till then